Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to upload audio to Roblox. So first you have to open your Roblox. You can open that to your Chrome web browser or application, log in, and on the left side you should see this create option right here. So tap on the create option, and then on the left side you will see the creation option, and all you have to do is to click that one. Now, once you have tapped these creations right here, you will see different options, and one of the options is this developer items. All you have to do is to click this developer items right here, and then as you can see, there is this audio, and all you have to do is to click this one and upload your audio. So tap on upload. Here, you can upload your audio by just selecting the file from your computer or laptop or any device. And then you can rename this, for example, game one, but actually this one is optional. You can also add audio description, but again, this one is optional. Now, once done, then all you have to do is to tap on upload. It will be saved automatically. So if you go to your audio section, you should see the audio that you have uploaded here in your Roblox. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.